What's up, guys? We're gonna do a reaction to YooA, Bon Voyage. YooA is from Oh My Girl, the girl group Oh My Girl. So let's just get straight into it. 3, 2, 1, let's get it! Ooh, in a red sports car, in like a forest, smoky. Oh, did she have an accident? What happened? Oh, look at that. The visuals, or the mist. It's like a movie. In a BMW. Nice car. This smoke, very symbolic of like, oh, what the heck is that? It's like a movie, like a fantasy movie. A wolf. A wolf. A wolf. What's she gonna do? Ooh. Nice EDM sound. EDM pop instrumental. She Pocahontas. She's dressed like very African, native. Loving the sound of this. Oh, I love the visuals. Sunflowers in the forest. Very peaceful. Pre-chorus now. I like the yellow. The markings on her face. See, it's like native, like Pocahontas. Come on, here comes the beat drop. Here we go, building up. Look at the visuals. This drone shot, zooming out on this like beach or something. Oh, here we go. Is that in Jeju Island? Here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is like an African song. Aesthetics. Oh, do you see that zoom? Oh, I love these. How do they do that? They have to bring like a crane in or something. Like sweeping camera shot. All these butterflies. Was that the chorus? Must have been. Oh, is she a fairy? Ooh. These visuals are beautiful. It's like so aesthetic. Now snowing or something. Such a nice nature, just beautiful nature shots. She must be a fairy. Now the hair's short. She that fairy from Peter Pan. See all the native markings on her hands. Now she's like a what? Look at her costuming. Yeah, she reminds me of that girl from Peter Pan, Belle. She's wearing yellow as well, and short hair. That fairy. Oh, here comes a wolf. It's like fantasy. CG though, that part, or this will be CG. Are they bubbles? Bubbles. Look at her facial expression, so good. That full zoom out drone shot. Now she's flying, turning into butterflies. Now she's like acting like an animal. She's good at acting. Oh, all the wolves, what are they doing? Watch this, beat drop. No? Oh, it's finished. I was waiting for a beat drop, a last beat drop. Damn! That was an awesome song, guys. I really enjoyed that song because it's not a typical K-pop song. I wouldn't even think this is K-pop. It really sounds a bit African EDM pop. I really like this because I've never heard this sort of sound from a K-pop artist. So really interesting sound and I really enjoyed it. There wasn't much singing in the chorus, but it still worked. Usually I don't like songs where it's just an instrumental chorus, but for this song it worked and her vocals were on point, beautiful vocals, beautiful music video. I really love all the nature featured in this music video. Just the sunflowers and all those nice camera angles and shots with the drone and it's like sweeping in and out. It's like, it really makes you feel like flying, and I think that's what they wanted to capture, that fantasy flying around, and she was like a fairy. I'm not sure what this song is about, so I'll have to check out the lyrics because there's no subtitles, but I really enjoyed this song. She's so lucky, YooA. She's from Oh My Girl. She's very lucky she got a solo album. I believe it's a full album because I think she's the first soloist from Oh My Girl. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure she's like the first soloist in the group. And I don't know if she's a leader. I don't know too much about Oh My Girl, but they do have a lot of very catchy songs that I like. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Peace!